Hello traders, this is the Daily Gann, a summary of W.D. Gann's book How to Make Profits Trading in Commodities, Chapter 2, Part 6. This is a review of Gann's rules for selling or selling points, and it goes from the most risky to the safest selling point. The first selling point is at all tops or all bottoms. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. And old significant high is when you should consider taking profit and maybe entering a short. And if an asset goes below an old bottom, which is a support level, if price goes below support and tests it as resistance, then it's a short as well. A safer selling point than the first one is when the asset breaks the low of a previous week or a series of lows of previous weeks, because then clearly the asset is in a downtrend and you should sell into the rallies. The safest selling point, Gann has a long explanation here, and in short, is Gann is telling us to sell the secondary rally, what it is, the first bear market rally. When the bear market rally is concluded, this is when you should sell, and it is the safest selling point. For example, in the January 2022, February 2022 rally, when Bitcoin reached 48K, this was a selling point and the safest selling point. Rule number 4, Gann gives us measures to establish if we are in a bull market or in a bear market, because the transition phase between a bull and a bear is not as obvious as you may think, and many times traders don't agree if it is a bull market or has it already turned into a bear market. And Gann gives us two rules: sell after the first decline exceeds the greatest impulse up of the preceding bull campaign, or the last reaction before the final top. Rule number 5 is sell after the breakaway point is crossed. What Gann means by breakaway is the completion of an accumulation or a distribution phase. And accumulation and distribution are not Gann terms. He uses them, but the author of these concepts is not Gann, it's actually Richard Wyckoff. But Richard Wyckoff was a contemporary of Gann, and they knew each other, and most probably they also knew of each other's trading methodology. What Gann means, the breakaway point is a point in which the distribution phase is completed, meaning the end of a bull market. This is the distribution phase, and this is the breakaway point. After the market tests the range distribution range low as resistance and begins to tumble down, or when the market breaks above an accumulation range in the bear market and tests it as support and begins climbing up. These two phases are breakaway points according to Gann, and it's nice to know that Gann incorporated into his system concepts of other notable traders. That's all for the Daily Gann. Thank you very much for staying with me. You have a presentation link in the description box, and I hope you found it helpful. Thank you very much.